Have you ever experienced a problem when installing apps from outside the Play Store where the app just won't install? Apps that come from outside the Play Store are usually in APK format. Even after you allow installation from unknown sources on your phone, the APK still fails to install. When you tap the package installer, the installation process doesn't complete and simply disappears. If you're experiencing this issue, you can try the method I'm about to share. First, you need to install two apps, Shizuku and Inure App. You can install Inure App directly from the Play Store. For Shizuku, please check the video linked above where I explain how to install and activate the Shizuku app. So make sure to watch the video in the link above or in the video description for a complete guide on activating Shizuku. Once Shizuku is running, tap Authorized Applications, then enable Inure App there. After that, open the Inure App. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Select Open Application Settings. Choose Configuration. Scroll down and enable Shizuku mode. After doing this, the APK file you previously tried to install from outside the Play Store should now install successfully. So that's what I wanted to share about how to fix APK or app installation issues on Android devices.